is my day off. We're going to explore a little bit before the school starts on Monday. So today we are going to Mount Zion in Utah, Springdale. Ayan. Look at that. Look at this view. Look at this mountain. Wow! I've never been this side of the mountain. Let's see. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Look at that. So I've never been to Utah, really. Well, we did. Oh, this is Arizona. This is Arizona, but we're heading to